Afghan cities Falas Taliban near Kabul. US, Britain deployed troops to speed up evacuation of citizens. The Taliban seized more major cities on Friday as they raced to take full control of Afghanistan and inched closer to Kabul, with the US and Britain deploying thousands of troops to evacuate their citizens from the capital. The evacuation orders came as the Taliban took control of Kandahar, the nation's second biggest city, in the insurgency's heartland, leaving only Kabul, Mazar-e-Sharif, Jalalabad and pockets of other territories in government hands. The Taliban also captured the capital of Logar province, just 50 kilometers from Kabul, with a local lawmaker saying the insurgents were in complete control of Pul Alam city. Earlier on Friday, officials and residents in Kandahar said government forces had withdrawn en masse to a military facility outside the southern city. Kandahar is completely conquered. The Mujahideen reached Martyrs Square, a Taliban spokesman tweeted, referring to a city landmark. Hours later, the Taliban said they had also taken control of Lashkar Gah, the capital of neighboring Helmand province. A security source confirmed the fall of the city, saying that the Afghan military and government officials had evacuated Lashkar Gah after striking a local ceasefire deal with the militants. The government has now effectively lost most of the country following an 8-day blitz into urban centers by the Taliban that has also stunned Kabul's American backers.